How to verify Binance account on PC. Now enter your personal information. Now log in into your Binance account and click on Profile. Now click on Identification, then click on Get Verified. Select your country or residence and enter your personal information. Please ensure all information entered matches your ID documents, and you won't be able to go back after completing this step. Now the next step is verify your government issued ID. Now for this step, you can choose to verify your documents by taking a photo with your camera or verifying with the Binance app. Just make sure you are in a wall or well-lit room. Otherwise, our system won't be able to read your documents. So common forms of accepted documents include but are not limited to passport, driver's license, or national ID cards. If you are located in the MENA regions, you can refer to our fall and you read this also. So number 3, on next step, complete the liveness check. Now you are on one step away from securing your CR7 for box and enable camera access on your device and follow the instructions to complete your liveness check. Again, make sure you are in an area with good lighting. Take off any accessories, including glasses, hats, and face masks. So this is how to verify your Binance account on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.